Amid an alarming upsurge in COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Friday said that lockdown is an option, but he trusts people to follow the norms on their own. Thackeray, who was in Nandurbar, also appealed people to get vaccinated against the virus without fear. Maharashtra witnessed the highest one-day spike of more than 25,000 COVID-19 cases on Thursday. The COVID-19 situation has become grimmer as the number of new cases on Thursday crossed the earlier highest rise, which was recorded in the month of September 2020. I see lockdown as an option going ahead, but I trust people of the state to cooperate and follow the COVID-19 norms voluntarily, like the last time, he said. When the pandemic began last year, there was nothing to fight the virus with, Thackeray said. He also added, but now at least we have vaccines as a shield. The priority now is to ensure that everyone is vaccinated. People should come forward to take the vaccines. In a fresh round of tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party and the centre, the Delhi government's ambitious doorstep delivery of ration to beneficiaries, set to be operationalized from March 25th, has hit a roadblock with the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution denying permission for it just days before the rollout. The scheme is called the Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana. The objection raised by the centre is the change in the nomenclature of the Aam Aadmi Party government scheme for the doorstep delivery of ration under the targeted public distribution system of the scheme. On March 19th, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food and Consumer Affairs, Joint Secretary S. Jagannathan, wrote to Ms. Padmini Singla, Secretary and Commissioner, Food and Civil Supplies Department, Government of NCT Delhi. He raised 3 points and denied permission to the Aam Aadmi Party government to go ahead with the scheme as planned. The Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal-led government had planned to launch the scheme with 100 households in Simapuri, East Delhi. The doorstep delivery of ration is a scheme reportedly close to Kejriwal's heart, with his own work at the grassroots level. Stepping up an attack against friend-turned-bitter foe and BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Friday called him a traitor and said that she had blindly supported Adhikari when he was in the Trinamool Congress. I blindly supported him, my care towards him was blind, but now I will not tolerate it anymore. No place for Gaddar, no place for Mir Zafar. We will not leave an inch to him and to any opposition candidates in any seats in Bengal, Banerjee said while addressing a public rally at Tamluk area in East Midnapur. At the same time, she also claimed that the results of upcoming West Bengal Assembly elections will decide the fate of BJP leaders like Narendra Modi and Amit Shah in 2024 Lok Sabha polls. Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday asserted that his party, if voted to power in Assam, will ensure that the Citizenship Amendment Act is not implemented in the state. Affirming that no religion teaches enmity, Rahul Gandhi, during his interaction with college students here in Dibrugarh district, said that the Saffron Party was selling hatred to create division among people. It is the BJP that uses hatred to divide society. No matter where they go to spread hatred, the Congress will ensure it promotes their love and harmony, he said. In an apparent reference to RSS, the BJP's ideological fountainhead, the Congress leader said there is one force in Nagpur that is trying to control the entire country, but the youths must resist this attempt with love and confidence as they happen to be the future of the country. The Government of India has yet again altered the fare band set initially during the lockdown on the domestic flights to cap the flight prices. In its latest alteration, the government has hiked the minimum fare band by 5% as indicated in a report. In February, government increased the limit on the minimum and maximum price band by 10% and 30% respectively. The price capping was put on domestic flight operators to keep the ticket prices in check due to the limited number of flights. The price capping was put in place on May 25th when domestic flights were restarted in a calibrated manner. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.